tiny. Well, I can certainly shoot these guys with this lens, handheld with the 1855, because they'll let me get pretty close. All three of them, the twins and old girl, all let me get pretty close and walk around and aren't that bothered by me, are you? I try not to push it too much, but if I'm going to shoot with this lens, I have to get pretty close. Let's see the range of it. That's all the way out, and I'm standing maybe 20 feet away. And that's all the way in from the same distance. 20 feet away. Hi, Tiny. You're my little sweetheart. Yeah, you are. You're a little sweetie. Oh, somebody else has showed up here. And down below we've got 1, 2, 3, at least 3 more. Up, and there's the rabbit to boot. And there's the rabbit to boot. My backyard zoo. I haven't seen the woodchuck in quite some time, a couple weeks or more now. I think it must have moved on. It's okay, Bunny. Don't be scared. It's just the deers. Just the deers.